Hello to all my artsy friends. In an effort to be less wasteful, I wanted to do a trash to treasure video today and give you a few ideas on how to turn things you may have thrown away into beautiful home decor pieces. So let's get started on the first one. So I got this cookie tin at Christmas time and well, those cookies didn't last long. Have you guys ever had David's cookies? These were my first time trying them and they did not disappoint. Anyway, we are just going to use the base of this tin to make a hanging planter. But I want it to look similar to those round hanging planters that are so popular right now. They have the front half opened, but to make this one unique, I think doing the square at an angle would look really good. So let's create the piece for the front out of foam core. I'm just going to be putting some faux florals in there so we don't have to worry about this being waterproof. I traced the edge of the planter and then trimmed it out. Trying to stay inside the line about 1/16 of an inch. When I'm cutting foam core, I like to start the knife outside of the edge. That way I get like a running start and it helps prevent any rough edges on the foam core. Now, when you get to the curves, I do a different technique and I stick my knife right in the middle of the curve and kind of saw my way through. Then I go back and smooth out the cut. This gave me a pretty good edge right there. I'm going to use this paint on all my DIYs today so that they all tie together. This is kind of a dark grayish brown. It's pretty neutral, so I think it would go with any home decor. Today I'm collabing with my friend Lisa over at Lisa and Company. Lisa does awesome DIYs, renos, and trash to treasure videos, and I just love her channel. Well, I'm going to let her do a quick little intro right here.
Hey you guys, I am Lisa at Lisa and Company. I am so excited to be doing this collab with Maria today. I have known her almost since I started on YouTube. She was one of the very first people I met, and I love how creative she is. I love all of her videos, and I really hope once you finish watching hers that you will hop on over and check out the trash to treasures that I have created today. Thanks you guys. I can't wait to see you over on Lisa and Company.
Make sure to check out Lisa's trash to treasure video when you're done with mine. I know she's gonna have something awesome for you over on her channel. I'll link her video in the description box below. Next, we're going to take some Dollar Tree contact paper to cover up the front panel. Even though that paint turned out great on the metal, I wasn't happy with how it came out, a little bit splotchy on the foam core. I think this contact paper will make the piece look more cheerful anyway. I added a bit of hot glue and secured the panel inside the metal box. Then I added a bit of ribbon to the sides and also created a loop so this can be hung on a wall or door. Hey, if you're liking this video and don't want to miss out on new crafts, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I post every Friday, but sometimes I do a bonus video in the middle of the week, so that little notification bell will make sure you don't miss out on any new videos. I used a bit of foam to hold some florals and worked them into the opening until I was happy with the layout. Here is the total cost for our project. Using that old cookie tin really saved some money. Another Christmas present is getting upcycled today. I got a gift in this really sturdy box and I want to make a floral arrangement with the base of this box. So we're going to cut off the lid with an X-Acto knife. I'm going to give the box a coat of spray paint, and while that's drying, let's work on the lattice. I was super excited to see that Dollar Tree doubled the amount of mini Jenga blocks that they include in the package. Same price, just more blocks. I started by laying these out and figuring out how many would make a nice looking lattice. After I was happy with the layout, I glued them together. This was actually pretty sturdy, even though it looks like it wouldn't be. I think just the hot glue and the wood combo really stuck everything together really well. You want to remove any stray glue bits before moving on to the next part, which is using some wood filler where the Jenga blocks connect. Now, this won't be perfectly flat when we're done. We're not going for perfection. I just want to cover any really obvious gaps between those blocks. After that dried, I tidied up with a damp paper towel and then did some sanding. After sanding, I wiped this down and got rid of any dust so that everything would be nice and clean for painting. This took a couple coats of white paint to cover up. Okay, now let's get the box ready to attach the lattice we made. I'm going to trim the box with this white ribbon. I think the white looks so crisp against the grayish brown color. I found these domed stickers at Dollar Tree and spray painted them white. I used a dot of hot glue to attach these evenly spaced out at the bottom of the box. I wanted to add some foam blocks to support the lattice. I used a combo of E6000 and hot glue to secure the lattice in place. I'm going to use some greenery that I got on Amazon and some styrofoam to put these in place. The nice thing about this flower box is you can change out the florals for every season. Now, usually I try to be healthy, but we ordered food the other day and I saw Mexican Coke on the menu, so I treated myself to a bottle. Then the bottle was so pretty I didn't want to get rid of it, so we're going to make this bottle into a pretty vase for some spring flowers. I thought the Coke branding was a plastic sticker, but it's actually melded onto the glass. I think the paint should cover it up, but we can always do something creative and decorative over that area if we need to. The only thing I can really remove is this white sticker, and I'm going to start by picking off as much as I can with my nails. And then I ended up soaking it in some warm water and soap for about 30 minutes. Most of it came off, but I had a few little pieces left over, so I used my homemade Gooby Gone to get this perfectly clean. Now it's ready for a coat of that spray paint. The paint did do a good job covering up that label, but there is still a little embossed area showing, so I think we will dress this up with some white ribbon and those rounded stickers. I found this giant flower in the Target dollar spot. Isn't it so pretty? It came on a thicker stem, but I Frankensteined it onto a smaller stem so it would fit in this vase. I just popped this in the vase and added a few sprigs of greenery. I hope you were inspired to make one of these trash to treasure projects. If you enjoyed these DIYs, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out, and I would love to have you as part of this uplifting community. Don't forget to check out Lisa's video and let her know that I sent you over. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye.